Hey everybody and welcome back. If you want to blend two photos naturally using the Nano Banana and you are looking out how to do so, you may follow up these steps for that. So first of all, prepare your photos and make sure the lighting is similar or resolution is not too different. And once you do so, you can just go and upload it to Nano Banana. So head over to Nano Banana, hit enter, and you will be taken to, let's use the Gemini one. So you can go to Gemini Nano Banana Pro and try it out. Now from here, you need to upload up both of the images together. You can keep the photo 1 as the main image and photo 2 as the reference image. So you need to upload both of them together. You can select this option of upload files and select the image. You can just go and do so. So for example, I'm selecting these two pictures. You can click on open and then upload it. Once you upload it, you need to use a prompt. You can look out for prompts online that will give you natural blend. For example, something like this, like blending the second image into the first image naturally, matching the lighting, shadows, etc., and hit enter. And once you do so, it will focus on realism and not obvious AI blending. You just need to wait for certain seconds for the result that you're looking for, and you should be finding the result within some time. There we go. Now if it still looks off, we can refine it according to your own choice. You can add in different prompts like adjusting the lightning, etc., or even shadows to match the environment perfectly, color grading it, depth, realism, etc. And once you do so, Nano Banana usually improves that after the 1 to 2 regenerations. We don't overdo it, just small refinements. You can just go and do so, and you can fix a bad blend, write a perfect Nano Banana prompt for the exact pictures, and that way you should be able to do it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. You may follow up these steps in order to do so. So give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.